motorcycle project for today is a QuadLock phone mount for the XT250. And what we have here is the cover that goes on the phone. It's got the QuadLock mechanism built in, which locks into this on the QuadLock mechanism. There's a vibration dampener that I got just in case there's some vibration. And an iPhone cover for weather that could be muddy and rainy and fun. The way I'm going to mount this QuadLock phone mount is on the left-hand mirror. It's going to be up about right here in my line of sight because I don't want to mount it down below on the handlebar and I have to look down at it. I want it to be right there. The mirrors on this XT250 don't vibrate at any speed, and I chose not to mount it on the right side because you never want to lose control of your brake or your throttle for anything. So right here on this mirror mount, right there is where the phone's going to be. Here's what it looks like from the driver's perspective. Got my Waze app up right now. The view is okay. It's right in front of me. And one nice thing about this is whenever I have the Waze app going, I can hear turn-by-turn directions on my helmet with one of those Sena communication devices, which is going to be cool. I'm already able to listen to music off of my iPhone through the Sena comms device. So now I can get turn-by-turn directions on my motorcycle. I've got another mount in the mail coming from QuadLock for my Triumph Speedmaster 2. I angled it a little bit so that it wasn't straight up and down. And you do that through how you mount it onto the stem. There's the mirror. Here's the little stem mount. I did have it up here a little further, but I thought it was too close to the mirror, so I moved it down a little bit and I angled it the way I wanted. Here's that vibration dampener. Maybe you don't really need that, but I bought it just in case. You know, from the looks of it, it will increase vibration. I didn't want to do an install video because those are all over the internet, you know. I don't want to bore anybody with an install video. There's my Waze app going on the iPhone, and that is pretty cool. I love it. And there's my XT250 in all its beauty. I love this motorcycle. It is like a bicycle with a motor on it.